Hi, now I'd like to conduct for you our fantastic tea demonstration. If you look at all the water that you use in your home, that your whole family uses in your home on a regular basis, about 99% of that water goes on you. Only 1% of the water that you consume actually goes in you. When we ask our customers which of those two is most important, they invariably say the water that goes in you. And that's what the tea demonstration is such a great demonstration of, in that it shows the difference between filtered and unfiltered water. One of these glasses of water, I just got done heating up in the microwave, is filled with Kinetico reverse osmosis water that went through a K5 RO unit, and the other one is straight tap water. Again, this is Waukesha City water. What I have here is plain old Lipton tea. I'm going to immerse it in both the waters. I'll be quite honest with you, I don't recall which one is which after it came out of the microwave. I've got one of those microwaves, like many people do, that kind of spins around and does its thing. But as the tea begins to steep, we're going to notice some dramatic differences between the two. And in just a moment, I'm going to zoom in and let you see those differences as well. So hopefully, even at this distance, you're able to see, begin to see a slight difference in the tea. And now I'm going to go ahead and zoom the camera in so you can get a little bit more of a close-up shot. Okay, it's only been about a minute since I put the tea in the water. Just zoom the camera in here a little bit. And already we can see a dramatic difference in the color of the tea. This is one of our favorite demonstrations to do in the home because in addition to the color, unfortunately I don't have smell-o-vision or taste-o-vision with this camera, but in addition to the difference in color, there's also a dramatic difference in the aroma and in the taste of the tea. Just so you know, this water is the raw city water, and this is the reverse osmosis water. I know that simply from the fact that I've done this so many times. What we're seeing here in the darker tea are the tannins in the tea are reacting with the dissolved solids that are in the water. My water here at our house is just below 300 parts per million. Many parts of Waukesha are in the 400 plus parts per million, and private wells can easily exceed 800, 1,000, even 1,500 parts per million. But again, what you're seeing here are the parts per million of dissolved solids, 300 or so, dissolved solids acting with the tannins in the tea. Over here, this tea looks a lot more clear. And next time you're in the store, if you happen to remember, look at the Lipton tea display, and you'll notice that on the cover of the box, the tea looks like this, not like this. So, in addition to tea, this is just a great demonstration because of the reaction we get with those tannins, but in addition to tea, everything that you make with this water, with the Kinetico reverse osmosis water, is dramatically improved. The bitterness is removed, coffee tastes better, soup tastes better. Your pasta won't stick as much and it'll turn out better. Everything that you make with it will taste better and also be safer. There are very, very limited standards on tap water, and that's the only standard that bottled water has to make. So if you're buying bottled water in hopes of getting this type of water, why not just install your own filtration system? It's far more convenient, and you're assured top quality water at the convenience of your own tap or the dispenser in your fridge anytime you want it without having to deal with those bottles. All right, well, that's pretty much all I have for you today on the tea demonstration. If you want great tasting tea and coffee, if you want clear ice cubes that are free from those floaties, if you want great tasting juice and everything else that's safe and clean and healthy from your family, from a system that has by far the longest warranty in the industry, and you'd much rather have this instead of that, well, then you've got one choice, the Kinetico K5 reverse osmosis system. Call Water Doctors today. Thanks for watching.